data is irrelevant unless... Hi, and welcome back to the Design Quickie, where I give you some personal insight into design for brands in a time-efficient way. And today, we talk about fire. So what's the color of fire? Ask anyone around, they'll probably tell you it's red, orange, yellow, something of sorts. But in fact, fire can have many colors, mostly depending on the fuel and on the heat of the flame itself. If we consider temperature alone, the flame color will vary, starting with red at lower temperatures, moving to orange and yellow in the middle, and finally blue and violet for very hot flames. So wait, am I saying that a red flame is actually colder than a blue one? Well, yes, it is. And it's all explained by the visible light spectrum. You see, if we compare the different colors of visible light, we'll find out that red has a longer wavelength than blue, which means blue light carries way more energy than red, which means blue is warm and red is cold. Okay, but science class aside, what's the point here? The point is that data is irrelevant unless you can conciliate it with a clear narrative that makes sense to the people you're talking to. We spent our entire lives associating blue with water, ice, and the sky, while red has always been the color of fire, chili pepper, and heat stroke. Yes, blue is objectively warmer than red, but most people's life experience will tell them otherwise. And this is something you should definitely take into consideration, whether you're designing for, speaking with, or presenting to any specific group of people. No, you do not need to throw your objectivity in the trash, but if you can conciliate your data with something that is familiar to your audience, then you might just light up a spark. Pun definitely intended.